You need to hear this if you're a DIY enthusiast. Get ready to glow with a simple beetroot facial you can make at home. First, grab a fresh beetroot. Peel and chop it into small pieces. Next, blend those pieces until you get a smooth paste. Voila, beetroot magic ready. Now take a teaspoon of the beetroot paste. Add a tablespoon of yogurt and mix well. Yogurt is fantastic for hydration and brightening. Win-win. Apply this mixture evenly on your face. Make sure to avoid the eye area. Relax for 15 minutes while the beetroot and yogurt work their wonders. Feel that natural glow setting in? After 15 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry gently. You'll notice an instant fresh and radiant look. Do this once a week for the best results. Beetroot isn't just for salads, it's your new skincare BFF. Trust me, your skin will thank you. So, DIY enthusiasts, ready to glow like never before? Give this beetroot facial a try and let your skin shine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY beauty tips.